What's going on, everybody? Chris Bruce, aka the Internet Landlord. I got my guy, Blue Notes, Brandon. What's going on, bro?
What's up, my brother?
So I'm here at his mastermind, No Stingy Energy, and it was a pleasure working with you and all of the guys, man. So tell people that is watching right now. How did we come with this whole idea, and
Sure.
What was your experience working with me?
For sure. So first and foremost, man, listen, guys, if you haven't tapped in with Detroit Mogul, my man Chris Bruce, when it comes down to creating your course, having a mastermind, or just even funnel building, make sure you tap in. Number one, he was able to go ahead and tell us, hey, listen, you should have 3 sittings, you should charge this much, you should do this, that, and the third. And obviously, our first sitting is going very well. We have over 30 people, high-level entrepreneurs, and it's right now, it's a success. As you can see here, we're in a lovely place in Austin, Texas.
Yeah. So 30 people in, and I think just because people are going to ask, how much revenue was generated. How much was it to the ticket to come here?
So the ticket to come here was $20,000.
Okay, so yeah, you did do the math on that. So, anyways, I'm looking forward to seeing the success of the masterminds continuing on. I know you got one coming up in Tulum. Is that correct?
Exactly. So as we go, we're also adding new people. So this one was 30 slots. The next one, we could obviously go ahead and add more, but that was the luxury of what Chris has done and his experience and wisdom within social media and just literally leveraging the internet. He knows, and he's been through this before. So we had a lot of, I guess you can say, support from him, really, from building out the funnel to the booking the calls, and as well as the financing. So some people obviously they didn't have the actual money, and we were able to get financing through a resource that Chris was able to provide to us. So once again, guys, if it comes down to taking your stuff to the next level, let's just say you just have a course, or you're just selling maybe a coaching program and you want an actual mastermind, my guy Chris Bruce is the one you want to level with.
Perfect. So guys, you heard it first. Sign off, man. If you want the same, go to the internetlandlord.com, book a call, and hopefully we'll have you at the next mastermind or have your next course taking you to the next level. Sign off. Peace.